Hi everyone. Who here is excited for the royal wedding? Okay. Well, I am.
Why? So you can watch it on TV?
Yes?
I'm not really allowed to watch television on school days.
Oh, that's not gonna work.
What?
Who knows which prince is getting married? Chelsea.
Prince Harry.
That's correct. This is Prince Harry. Do we think he's handsome?
No.
Yes.
I saw him. I shook his hand. I respect you.
You met Prince Harry.
Yes.
In real life, he really looks different like that. He looks way more better.
Have you met him too in real life?
I saw him.
Are you lying to me?
No.
Do you think that we make a nice couple?
No. You look like brother and sister.
Yeah, you do.
Actually, you kind
You look like brother and sister.
If you had blue eyes, you'd look like...
exactly like each other.
Is that just because we're redheads? Because you know that's discrimination.
No.
Who is Prince Harry marrying?
Megan.
That's right.
I know Megan. She's from my school.
I think it's a different Meghan that's getting married to Prince Harry, but I'm sure your Meghan is cool too.
She is very fun.
This is Meghan Markle.
I saw her on a magazine.
Probably Vanity Fair when she did her tell-all.
Yeah.
Thought that was a little tacky. What did you think?
I thought it was tacky too.
This royal wedding is particularly special because it's taught us that you can go from cable TV actress to princess overnight. Does anyone want to be a princess?
No, actually, no. I don't. You have to take care of too many puppies.
Do you get a lot of puppies as a princess?
And the crown she does.
I thought you would be watching more Disney Channel, less Netflix's The Crown, but I like it. Why do you think people get married?
So then they don't have to be homeless and they don't have to beg for food.
I didn't realize that homelessness and marriage were directly correlated. How old should you be when you get married?
I think they should get married at the age of 40.
Do you want to be a grandma by then? Sure, be a grandma.
Oh, well, I don't know if we have to go that far. 40 is,
40's
some people
cool.
might be 35 in this room, and that's fine.
Wait, who is 35?
I don't know.
You are.
Speaking of marriage, do you know what divorce is?
Yes. Yes, I do.
Yes.
Grace, what is it?
It's when someone realizes that they've made a bad choice to marry this man. And they both fight to get what they want. Like the girl says, I want macaroni for dinner, and then the boy says, no, I want pasta for dinner.
Macaroni is important.
That's just weird.
If my second marriage is to a prince, will you come?
Yes. Will you let us come?
Perfect, of course.
Yay!
See you there.